Welcome student in third session from your textbook chapter number 2 acids, bases and salts. In last session we studied about the bases, pH scale and importance of pH in our everyday life. So today we are going to discuss about the salts. Okay. So salt, you know that salty in test. A salt is a compound formed from an acid by the replacement of the hydrogen in the acid by a metal. Means, for example, hydrochloric acid. Okay, so this hydrochloric acid, now if we replace the hydrogen, इस हाइड्रोजन को आपको किसी भी मेटल से क्या करना है, उसको रिप्लेस करना है. ओके, सो hydrogen of this acid by metal atom, say that sodium. Okay, sodium से आप इसको replace करोगे, then we will get a salt, sodium chloride. Okay, so this is a what, salt. Clear? So now we got the salt. So the hydrogen of acid is replaced by an ammonium group in the case of ammonium chloride. Okay, so उसमें क्या बनेगा, ammonium chloride. The best known salt is sodium chloride, which is usually known as common salt. So salt is a general name and it does not refer only to a sodium chloride. In fact, sodium chloride is just the one member of huge family. Means salt की भी बहुत बड़ी family, just like acid, bases. So among them, that sodium chloride, it is just a name. Okay, so salts are formed when acid react with the base. Salt is what, mostly solid. So they have high melting point in boiling point. Salts are usually soluble in water. You know very well about that. So just like acid and base, solution of salt in water conduct the electricity. Means solution of salt in water conduct the electricity. जैसे एसिड और बेस कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी करते हैं, तो सेम वैसे ही कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज डन बाय द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सॉल्ट ऑल्सो. सो सॉल्ट्स आर आयोनिक कंपाउंड. सॉल्ट्स कैसा कंपाउंड है, आयोनिक कंपाउंड है. ओके, सो सम फार्मूले of their some important salt and their formulae. So salt, sodium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, zinc chloride, sodium sulfate, potassium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate. These are some important salt and their formulae. If you have a question, means give the name of some salts with their formula, so you can easily write this name. Okay, now you know very well salts are ionic compound. Okay, ionic compound means what, so that positive and negative charge are there. For example, sodium chloride. Okay, so the salts having the positive ion also and that negative ions. So sodium chloride salt consists of positively charged sodium ions and negatively charged chloride ions. ओके, तो अगर आप सोडियम क्लोराइड लेते हैं तो उसमें सोडियम में पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा और क्लोरीन में निगेटिव. सो नाउ फैमिली ऑफ सॉल्ट. सो द सॉल्ट्स हैविंग द सेम that positive ions, okay, and that negative ion, so are said to belong a family of salts. means जो positive और negative means ये उसमें family में belong करते. the salts having the same that positive ions are said to belong to a family. There is a salt, sodium chloride, sodium sulfate and potassium chloride. So 10 families of salts can be identified. Means total near about 10 families of salts are there. Okay, so important, there is a potassium salts, sodium salts, calcium salts, magnesium salts, copper salts, okay, ammonium salts, sulfate salt, chloride salts, that is nitrate salt and carbonate salt. These are the 10 families of the salts. Clear this one? So now pH of salt solution. So what is the role of pH in the salt solution? You know there is a about the acid and base. You know very well about the that action of the pH is that litmus. Okay, about the acid and base. So though that aqueous solution of many salts are neutral. So when acid and base are react together, okay, form the salt. So this is a reaction of that neutralization, or another one words is what, form the salt. इससे salt भी बनता है और ये एक neutralization reaction भी है. So though the aqueous solution of many salts are neutral, having the pH 7 means जिसका pH 7 होगा, it means there is a neutral. But some salts produce acidic or basic solution when dissolved in water. means ऐसे तो जो न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट्स के जो डिजोल्विंग होते हैं जब वो तो pH कैसा रहता है, 7 रहता है, सो न्यूट्रल कंडीशन. बट सम सॉल्ट्स प्रोड्यूस एसिडिक और बेसिक सॉल्यूशन when dissolved in water. So pH value of some salts iron, for example sodium chloride solution 7 pH, okay, neutral nature. तो इसका नेचर कैसा होगा सॉल्यूशन का, सोडियम क्लोराइड का, सिंपल दैट कॉमन सॉल्ट व्हेन वी डिसॉल्व इन वाटर देन वी गॉट द pH 7, so neutral in nature. Ammonium chloride NH4Cl in that solution, so what is their pH level, 6 pH value. So what means below 7 we got the acidic nature. Sodium carbonate means Na2CO3, okay, so that sodium carbonate there is a 9 pH, means above the 7, then we got the basic nature. Clear this one? Now next one is common salt, that sodium chloride, okay, NaCl, that is a neutral salt. The common salt is a white powder which is used in preparing food, especially in that vegetables and pulses etc. So common salt is also known as just salt, okay, आप उसको just salt भी कह सकते हैं. The chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride and their formula is NaCl and it is what, neutral salt. So sodium chloride can be made in the lab by the combination of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid, means base and acid. When acid and base react together form the salt, you know very well about that. So sodium hydroxide react with that hydrochloric acid, okay, to form the salt, that is a sodium chloride, means common salt, and water will also form. So this is what, this is the reaction of that neutralization reaction. So the sodium chloride solution form here can be evaporate to obtain solid, that sodium chloride salt. But sodium chloride is never made in this way on a large scale, means इस टाइप से लैब में लार्ज स्केल में नहीं बनाया जाता है, okay. This is a simple, there is a equation, means that preparation of sodium chloride in lab, okay, by the combination that sodium hydroxide react to the hydrochloric acid form the sodium chloride. So this is because sodium chloride is present in nature in abundance, okay, means वो बहुत ज़्यादा there is a means quantity में present रहता है, okay. There is a common salt is obtained by the evaporation of seawater by the sun's heat. Rock salt is also obtained by from the underground deposits by mining, like that. So for that there is a sodium chloride, it is a widely used, there is a salt, okay. Now there is a uses of common salt, sodium chloride, means what are the uses of that. So sodium chloride, okay, is used as a raw material for making a large number of useful chemical in industries such as sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, and sodium hydrogen carbonate, we can also tell that, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen, chlorine and sodium metal. Means sodium chloride को एज ए रॉ मटेरियल यूज किया जाता है ये डिफरेंट केमिकल्स को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए इन इंडस्ट्रीज, ओके. सेकेंड, सोडियम क्लोराइड इज यूज्ड इन कुकिंग फूड. इट इम्प्रूव द फ्लेवर ऑफ फूड. मीन्स अगर आपने कुछ भी डिश बना रहे हो दैट स्पाइसी आइटम, उसमें आपने सभी स्पाइसेस यूज कर लिए और एक्सेप्ट दैट सॉल्ट, सो उसका पूरा टेस्ट आपको अच्छा आएगा क्या? नो, ओके. सो दैट इज इट इम्प्रूव द फ्लेवर ऑफ फूड. Sodium chloride is required by our body for the working of nervous system also. So the movement of muscles and the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach for the digestion of the food. So there is a common salts play important role as flavor also. and in our body also. Okay. So third one, sodium chloride means common salt is used as a preservative in pickles. You know very well. आपने देखा होगा जैसे अचार बनाया जाता है तो उसमें सॉल्ट का यूज किया जाता है. और फिर अनदर वर्ड जैसे इमली, टैमरिंड, अगर इमली को ज़्यादा समय के लिए रखना है, या फिर कोई जो रॉ दैट मैंगो जो कच्चा आम आता है उसकी भी मीन्स उसको भी प्रिजर्व करके अगर रखना है तो उसमें भी सॉल्ट को यूज़ किया जाता है जिससे कि वो लंबे समय तक यूज़ कर सके. और उसमें वो इसलिए क्योंकि प्रिजर्वेटिव उसके रहने से कोई भी इंसेक्ट या फिर कीड़े उसमें नहीं लग पाते. ओके, ये सिंपल कॉमनली प्रिजर्वेटिव मेथड है. नेक्स्ट वन, there is a common salt used in the manufacture of the soap also. Okay, so these are the uses of common salt. Now chemicals from the common salts means common salt is a raw material. As we studied before, it is a raw material for making many chemicals. Okay, so these chemicals are sodium hydroxide. Okay, when there is a common name is caustic soda, sodium carbonate, washing soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda. So these are some chemicals which are made by using the raw material as common salt. So first, that sodium hydroxide, it is a commonly known as caustic soda. Now production of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so what is the role of this common salt? So the raw material for producing hydroxide is sodium chloride. Sodium hydroxide is in that we have to prepare the sodium hydroxide by the electrolysis method. Okay, in that electrolysis method there is means pass the electricity. So this production of sodium hydroxide is produced by the electrolysis of concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride. So when electricity is passed through a concentrated solution of sodium chloride, it decomposes to form the sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. So there is what we call this solution of that sodium chloride. So electricity is passed in that, so it break down in that sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. So three very useful products obtained by the electrolysis of sodium chloride. There is a sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. These are the three useful products. Okay, now uses of sodium hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide is used for making soap and detergents. Okay, sodium hydroxide used for making artificial textile fibers such as that rayon. Sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of paper. Sodium hydroxide is used in that purifying that bauxite. This is a means ore from which aluminium metal is extracted. Okay, that bauxite, about that extraction of that metal you will study in the next chapter. Okay, so what simply here is sodium hydroxide used in purifying bauxite ore from which aluminium metal is extracted. Fifth, sodium hydroxide is used in the degreasing metals, oil refining and makes dyes and bleach. Clear this one? So these are the uses of sodium hydroxide. Next one is washing soda. Okay, so washing soda is a sodium carbonate containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. So that is washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Okay, sodium carbonate deca means that 10 decahydrate. So the formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 that 10H2O. So sodium carbonate which does not contain any water of crystallization is called anhydrous. So sodium carbonate, so that is Na2CO3 anhydrous. Sodium carbonate is commonly known as soda ash. Okay, soda ash. So washing soda is an important chemical obtained from the sodium chloride or common salt. So now production of that washing soda. So washing soda is produced from sodium chloride in the following three steps. Okay, there is a three steps are there. So in first, a cold and concentrated that solution of sodium chloride called that brine is reacted with ammonia. Okay, that sodium chloride reacted with ammonia and carbon dioxide solution. It means there is a contents of that water. Okay, and that carbon dioxide to obtain the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, and that next product what, ammonium chloride. So this happen in that first step. A cold and concentrated solution of that sodium chloride is reacted with ammonia and carbon dioxide from the sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium chloride. Okay, so sodium hydrogen carbonate forms is only the slightly soluble in water, so it is precipitated out as a solid. Now in second step, sodium hydrogen carbonate is separated by filtration, dried and heated. Okay, dried and then heated. So on heating, sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes means breakdown. So decomposes to form that sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water. So that an anhydrous means anhydrous means there is a no molecule of that water. Okay, अगर इसमें water होगा so that hydrate, then decahydrate. So in that third, anhydrous means the absence of that water. Anhydrous sodium carbonate is dissolved in water. इसको किसमें dissolve किया? 10 molecule of that water. Okay, so it dissolved in water and recrystallize. इसको फिर से recrystal किया because this is what crystallized form of that washing soda. So this is what recrystallize to get the washing soda crystal containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. So this is a three step. In first step, this is the raw material sodium chloride. Okay, and reaction with that ammonium and that carbon dioxide we form the sodium hydrogen carbonate, and this we have to use as a raw material. Okay, in that decompose that by dry heating, and that we got the sodium carbonate, and again we take this sodium carbonate as a raw material and we dissolve it in 10 molecules of water, then we got the washing soda. Okay, sodium carbonate in that decahydrate. इसको क्या रेट करेंगे? सोडियम कार्बोनेट decahydrate. Deca means 10. Clear this one? Now properties of washing soda. So you know very well about the properties of washing soda. So washing soda is a transparent crystalline solid. Second, washing soda is one of the few metal carbonate. Means a carbonate forming because CO3 is there, means that carbonate. So washing soda is a one of the few metal carbonates which are soluble in water. And third, the solution of that washing soda in water is alkaline, which turns the red litmus to blue. So this is the alkaline form of that. So it turns red litmus to blue. And fourth, detergent properties means that cleaning properties. Okay, washing soda has detergent properties because it can remove the dirt and grease from the dirty cloth. So etc. So washing soda takes the dirt. So इसमें कैसे reaction का होती है? Washing soda takes dirt and grease to form the water soluble product, which are then washed away on dryness with the water. So this is the properties of that detergent. Now uses of that sodium carbonate, okay, or washing soda. So sodium carbonate is used as a cleaning agent for domestic purpose like washing clothes. In fact, that sodium carbonate is a component of a many that dry soap powder, means जितने भी dry soap powder है उसमें ये main component होता है. Second, sodium carbonate is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Third, sodium carbonate is used in the manufacture of the glass, soap and paper. Fourth, sodium carbonate is used for manufacture of that sodium compounds such as borax. So these are the uses of that sodium carbonate. So next compound is baking soda. What is the chemical name of this baking soda? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formula is what? NaHCO3, and it is also called that sodium bicarbonate. So if anyone asks to you, write the what is the that formula of baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. So that answer will be NaHCO3. Remember that, okay? So now that baking soda is sometimes added for faster cooking of food such as that gram means फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप चने की कोई डिश बना रहे हो उसे जल्दी से मीन्स पकाना है या उबालना है तो उसमें आप बेकिंग सोडा को ऐड कर सकते हो. सो इट विल मीन व्हाट कुक फास्टर. सो now production of sodium hydrogen carbonate means NaCO3. So sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate is produced on large scale by reacting a cold and concentrated of sodium chloride with ammonia and carbon dioxide. So here is the reaction. Sodium chloride react with that ammonia, okay, with that carbon dioxide and that water. So that is what NaCO3, okay, that product will form NaCO3 and ammonium chloride. Okay, we already know this reaction in that above description. So what we got, that sodium hydrogen carbonate means that baking soda. So now properties of sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this baking soda consists of white crystal which are sparingly that soluble in water. Means it is a one kind of this white crystal and it is soluble in water. आपने देखा होगा जब अपन सोडा अगर में वाटर में डिजोल्व करते हैं तो इजीली डिजोल्व हो जाता है और ये कैसे क्रिस्टल फॉर्म में होता है और इट इज व्हाइट इन कलर. So next, sodium hydrogen carbonate is a mild non-corrosive base. It is a one kind of base. Okay. So the solution of that sodium hydrogen carbonate in water is that mildly that alkaline. ये simply थोड़ा क्या रहता है, alkaline in nature होता है. Now next, action of heat means when that sodium hydrogen carbonate or it that solution, okay, आप ये लो या फिर that solution heat, then it decompose मतलब ये break होगा, okay, decompose in that to give the sodium carbonate with the evolution of that carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so this is the reaction of that. When we heat the sodium hydrogen carbonate, then we will get that sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide gas and that water. So that the sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda. So that sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as an antacid. Okay, antacid means it is a medicine, as a medicine, okay, to remove the acidity of the stomach. आपने देखा होगा जैसे बेकिंग सोडा, इनो पाउडर जो रहता है, इनो पाउडर आपने सुना हो उसमें भी सोडा रहता है. Okay, so it is a antacid means it is a use to remove the acidity in the stomach. Clear? So why? Because it is a one kind of this alkaline base. So when acid and base reacts together and form the neutralization reaction. So that being alkaline, sodium hydrogen carbonate neutralize the excess acid present in the stomach and release in that indigestion. Okay. So second use of that sodium hydrogen carbonate is used in that making baking powder. Okay, used in that making that cakes, bread. So baking of that baking soda and is a mild that edible acid such as tartaric acid. So when that baking powder mixes with the water, okay, so then sodium hydrogen carbonate react with the tartaric acid to evolve the carbon dioxide gas. जैसे आपने देखा होगा अगर आप 1 ग्लास वाटर लेते हैं और उसमें सोडा और लेमन डालते, लेमन जूस डालते, तो उसमें से बबल्स मीन्स जो फोम फॉर्म में मतलब फेस जैसा, झाग जैसा जो आपको दिखता है, तो वो क्या है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है. क्लियर? क्योंकि वो क्या करता है, सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट को उसको ब्रेक डाउन कर देता है. क्लियर? तो सोडियम and that carbon dioxide gas will form. So the carbon dioxide gas is carbon dioxide gas produced okay, and gets trapped in the wet dough, and that bubbles out slowly, making the cake to the rise and become the soft and spongy. मीन्स क्या रोल रहता है जब भी बेकिंग पाउडर को यूज किया जाता है, तो उसमें जो आपने देखा होगा केक है, खमन है, जब ये सब आप उसको कुक होने के बेक होने के बाद आप देखते हो तो उसमें होल्स दिखते हैं, ओके। तो वो होल्स इसलिए क्योंकि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस जो उसमें से रिलीज होती है, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट केक्स मीन्स वो होता है कि स्पंज भी फॉर्म हो जाता है, उसका जो लेवल है वो भी आपने देखा होगा कि वो इतना फूल के इतना बल्जी हो जाता है, सॉफ्ट और स्पंजी होता है। इफ हाउएवर बेकिंग पाउडर इज नॉट एडेड इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ केक, देन द केक ऑब्टेन्ड विल बी हार्ड एंड क्वाइट स्मॉल इन साइज। अगर बेकिंग पाउडर केक में, खमन में, इडली में, इसमें अगर यूज नहीं करते तो उसमें सॉफ्टनेस भी नहीं रहती और स्पंजी भी फॉर्म नहीं होता है, और उसका साइज भी कैसा हो जाता है, स्मॉल इन साइज रहता है। क्लियर दिस वन? नाउ फॉर दैट, third, sodium hydrogen carbonate used in that fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher means that to turn off that fire, okay. Soda acid type fire extinguisher contain a solution of hydrogen carbonate and sulfuric acid, so in separate container। ये दोनों कैसे रहते हैं, उसमें जो एक सिलेंडर रहता है उसमें सेपरेट रहते हैं, ओके। सो व्हेन द नोब ऑफ द फायर एग्जिस्टर इज प्रेस, जैसे आप उसका नोब को, मीन जो रहता है उसका नोब जिससे प्रेस करते हैं नोजल टाइप, सो व्हेन द फायर एग्जिस्टर इज इन्वर्टेड, मीन फिर वो क्या होता है कि द सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड मिक्सेस विद द सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बन। तो जो ऐसी अलग अलग कंटेनर में रहते हो और जैसे आप नोब को प्रेस करते हो तो मिक्स हो जाता है सोडियम कार्बोनेट, sodium hydrogen carbonate and sulfuric acid mix with that solution to produce a lot of carbon dioxide। फिर क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, एंड द प्रेशर ऑफ दिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस फोर्सेस अ स्ट्रीम ऑफ लिक्विड टू फॉल ऑन द बर्निंग सब्सटेंस। फिर वो बर्निंग सब्सटेंस के ऊपर जाती है इन दैट बाय द फोर्सिंग। सो द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस फॉर्म्स अ ब्लैंकेट अराउंड द बर्निंग सब्सटेंस। कोई भी बर्निंग सब्सटेंस है उसके चारों तरफ वो इज ए ब्लैंकेट वर्क करती है, एंड कट द सप्लाई ऑफ एयर टू बर्निंग सब्सटेंस। और फिर जो भी मीन्स एयर, ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई बर्निंग सब्सटेंस से उसको कट कर देती है। तो जैसे ऑक्सीजन जब उसको नहीं मिल पाता है बर्निंग सब्सटेंस को, तो इस टाइप से जो फायर है वो बुझ जाती है। क्लियर दिस वन? सो व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दिस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन दैट? the supply of air is cut off and the process of burning stop and fire get exhaust, means बुझ जाती है। the stream of liquid falling on the burning substance also help in the putting of fire by cooling the burning substance to below its ignition temperature। So ignition temperature is what? It is a one kind of temperature, lowest to lowest temperature, when that burning substance start the burning. So that type of is called the ignition temperature. Clear this one? Now next one is bleaching powder, okay. Next compound is bleaching powder. So the bleaching powder is a calcium oxychloride, okay. It is that calcium oxychloride, and chemical formula of that CaOCl2. This is the chemical formula of bleaching powder, and this is the what? Calcium. That calcium oxychloride is a chemical name. So it is also called that chloride of lime. So now preparation of bleaching powder, it is prepared by passing chlorine gas over dry select lime। मीन्स जब ड्राई select lime में क्लोरीन गैस को पास किया जाता है, so that bleaching powder will form, okay। So that bleaching powder is prepared by passing chlorine gas over the by select lime. There is a formula of select lime, CaOS2, okay, remember this formula। So then CaOCl2 means calcium oxychloride will form. So this is the formula of bleaching powder. Now what are the properties of this bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is a white powder which gives a strong smell of chlorine, means इसमें chlorine की smell आती है because it is a chlorine gas is passed in that select lime, so this bleaching powder will form, so that's why. Second, bleaching powder is soluble in that cold water. The small insoluble portion always left behind the solution, in that solution present in, means lime present रहता है, that's why। So some small insoluble portion always left behind in that lime present in it. Clear? It is soluble in cold water. And third, it reacts with dilute acid. Okay, dilute acids to produce the chlorine. So when bleaching powder is treated with an excess of dilute acid, all the that chlorine present in it is liberated. तो जितना भी क्लोरीन इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट रहता है वो लिबरेटेड हो जाता है. when bleaching powder is treated with an excess dilute sulfuric acid, all the chlorine is present, it is liberated. So here is the reaction. Bleaching powder react with hydrochloric acid and calcium sulfate and chlorine gas will form. So like that. So now uses of that bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used for bleaching that cotton and that linen in textile, for that bleaching wood pulp in the paper industries. It is also used for the bleaching washed cloths in laundry. Okay, so the bleaching means a substance which remove color from color substance and makes them the color as is called the bleaching agent. ये भी आपको पता है bleaching agent. So substance which is used to kill the germs of bacteria is called the disinfectant. So keeping them points in mind, bleaching powder is widely used in that laundries. Okay, like that. So second, used of that disinfecting drinking water supply. Bleaching powder is used in disinfecting that's why for making drinking water free from the germs, because it is a disinfecting. That's why it is used for cleaning that water. And it is used for manufacture of chloroform, CHCl3. This is the formula of chloroform. Chloroform, it is the one kind of that gas जिसे आदमी को अनकॉन्शियस मीन्स उसको बेहोश करने के लिए जो लिक्विड यूज किया जाता है केमिकल, दिस इज व्हाट क्लोरोफॉर्म. नेक्स्ट देयर इज ए ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज यूज फॉर मेकिंग द वूल अनश्रिंकेबल. मीन्स वूल जब सिकुड़ जाता है, ओके, उसमें रिंकल श्रिंकेज हो जाता है, तो उसको अनश्रिंकेबल बनाने के लिए ब्लीचिंग पाउडर को यूज किया जाता है. फिफ्थ, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज यूज्ड एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट इन मेनी केमिकल्स industries also. Okay, so these are also used oxidizing agent to many chemical industries. Clear this one? Now plaster of Paris. Okay, so what are the next compound is what? Plaster of Paris. So calcium, that plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half. So calcium sulfate is half hydrate. Okay, and there is a formula of this plaster of Paris is CaSO4 means calcium sulfate and half means 1.5. So half molecule of that water in that simply we can commonly known as POP. Okay, so plaster of Paris. The name plaster of Paris came from the fact that it was first of all made by the heating gypsum, which was mainly found in the Paris. Means ये प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस जिप्सम से बनाया जाता है और जिप्सम सबसे पहले कहाँ पे फाउंड हुआ था? पेरिस में. सो इनिशियली दैट प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस वाज यूज्ड इन मैसिव वे इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन दैट इंडस्ट्री, बट नाउ इट हैज ए मेनी अदर यूजेस विच वी लर्न आफ्टर ए वाइल. ओके, सो इसमें मतलब ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ों में इसका यूज़ किया जाता है. सो फर्स्ट वी स्टडी अबाउट द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. It is prepared from the gypsum. We already know about that. So it is prepared from the gypsum, and gypsum is a calcium sulfate dihydrate. Okay, dihydrate means di means 2. There is a 2 molecule of water. It means formula same है. ये gypsum का formula है और ये water का means that plaster of Paris का formula है. Okay, it means hemihydrate होगा तो एक calcium means plaster of Paris का formula बनेगा और डाइहाइड्रेट होगा तो जिप्सम का फार्मूला बनेगा. सो दैट प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस इज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय हीटिंग जिप्सम टू अ टेम्परेचर ऑफ दैट 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, एंड देयर इज ए मीन्स इन कैल्विन 373 कैल्विन. सो इन ए clean that then when gypsum is heated to a temperature 100 degree Celsius, it loses 3/4 of its water of crystallization. फिर ये water को लॉस करता है एंड क्रिस्टलाइजेशन फॉर्म बनाता है एंड फॉर्म्स द प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. एंड दिस वाटर वेपर मीन्स ये क्या होता है कि ये वेपराइज हो जाता है इतना वाटर. ओके, सो इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ दैट प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस हीटिंग of gypsum should be controlled carefully. The temperature during the heating of gypsum should not be allowed to go away about that 100 degrees Celsius. So this is because of gypsum is heated above 100 degrees Celsius, then all its water crystallization is eliminated and anhydrous calcium sulfate called that dead burn plaster is formed, and that anhydrous, okay, anhydrous means there is absence of that water. So the anhydrous calcium sulfate does not set like a plaster of Paris on adding of water. So that's why means we always take that is a hemihydrate formula. Okay, so the formula of that calcium, that hemihydrate, which means two molecules of that calcium sulfate share one molecules of water, so that effective water of crystallization, so one calcium sulfate unit comes to half molecule of water. So now next is properties of plaster of Paris. It is white powder, okay, and plaster of second, it is plaster of Paris is very remarkable properties of setting into a hard mass on wetting विथ वाटर. मीन्स जैसे ही आप इसको वाटर से गीला करते हो, मीन्स उसमें वाटर ऐड करते हो, किसमें, दिस कैल्शियम सल्फेट हेमीहाइड्रेट में, अगर आप इसमें जैसे ही वाटर को ऐड करते हो तो ये सेट हो जाता है एज ए हार्ड मास. ओके, सो दिस इज अ रिमार्केबल प्रॉपर्टी. इट इज अ वेरी रिमार्केबल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सेटिंग, मीन्स सेट हो जाता है इनटू अ हार्ड मास. हार्ड मास कैसे सेट हो जाता है, ऑन वेटिंग विथ वाटर, मीन्स उसमें हेमीहाइड्रेट है और उसमें 1.5 मॉलिक्यूल का अगर आप वाटर ऐड कर देते हो इसमें, तो ये सेट हो जाता है एज ए हार्ड मास. नाउ नेक्स्ट, सो that hard mass properties, okay, we study already that. So the setting of plaster of Paris is accompanied by a slight expansion in volume, due to which it is used in making cast for that statues, toys. So plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture proof container. This is because the presence of there is a moisture can cause slow setting of plaster of Paris by bringing about its hydration. So this will make the plaster of Paris useless after some time. तो उसको मीन्स मॉइस्चर प्रूफ कंटेनर के अंदर प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस को स्टोर करके रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसके बाद जब उसमें अगर वाटर ऐड करके जब आप उसको सेट करते हो, सो वो क्या होता है कि उसकी यूजलेस हो जाता है आफ्टर सम टाइम. ठीक है. नाउ यूजेस ऑफ प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. Plaster of Paris is used in hospital for setting fractured bone in the right position to ensure the correct heating. So it keeps the fractured bone straight. This use is based on the fact when that plaster of Paris is mixed with a proper quantity of water and applied around its fractured limb, it's set into a hard mass. क्योंकि इसके बेस्ट प्रॉपर्टी, जैसे उसको प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी के वाटर में उसको ऐड किया जाता है तो ये सेट हो जाती है, जिप्सम सेट हो जाता है, ओके, एज ए हार्ड मास. फिर वो जिप्सम में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है बाय सेटिंग. क्लियर. सो in this way it keeps the bone joints in a fixed position. It is also used for making cast in that density. Okay, so in that second, it is used in making toys, decorative materials, cheap ornaments, cosmetic, and blackboard, chalk. Cost of that statues, statue भी इससे बनाए जाते हैं. ओके, एंड थर्ड, इट इज यूज फॉर द फायर प्रूफिंग मटेरियल. इससे फायर प्रूफिंग मटेरियल भी बनाए जाते हैं. फोर्थ, इट इज यूज इन केमिस्ट्री लेबोरेटरीज फॉर दैट सीडलिंग. ओके, देयर इज ए सीडलिंग सीडिंग air gaps, means it is used in chemistry laboratories for sealing. Sealing means जो भी air gaps रहते हैं उसको seal करने के लिए इसको यूज किया. apparatus, okay, where air tight or that arrangement is required. means जब air tight arrangement, air tight का means क्या होता है कि उसमें air उसमें जा भी नहीं सकती और आ भी नहीं सकती. तो इसके लिए जब air gaps को seal करने के लिए इसको यूज किया जाता है. ओके, जो भी एयर गैप्स इन एपरेटस में जो एयर गैप्स रहते हैं उसको सील करने के लिए प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस को यूज किया जाता है. फिफ्थ, प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस इज यूज फॉर मेकिंग सरफेसेस स्मूथ बिफोर पेंटिंग देम. मीन्स लाइक द वॉल ऑफ ए हाउस, मीन्स जो हाउस की वॉल है उसको सरफेस को स्मूथ करने के लिए पेंट बिफोर द पेंटिंग इसको यूज किया जाता है. सो फॉर मेकिंग ऑर्नामेंट्स दैट डिजाइन ऑन द सीलिंग, सीलिंग मतलब जो अपने घर की छत रहती है उसमें नीचे की साइड से आपने देखा होगा जो सीलिंग को डेकोरेटिव ऑर्नामेंट से डिजाइन करने के लिए भी प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस में पीओपी की जो सीलिंग बनाई जाती है, शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ दैट प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस इज पीओपी, तो उसमें ये यूज किया जाता है एंड अदर बिल्डिंग्स टू. सो हियर our this chapter is over. Clear this one? Thank you.